Alright, here's what we got to do. We're going to change the tire on that to this tire right here. The first step we're going to have to do, you can do this with screwdrivers, but we got these little plastic hooks right there. Sit it in one side of the tire, pop it up, keep going around. It's got those little hooks there, that makes them nice. Bam, once again, hook it. And as you can already see, we're already almost off the rim already. Just with my fingers. Now half the wheel is off. And if you look under here, pull it, and this whole thing will just slide right off. We're going to change this tube, this inner tube too. Just unscrew this, pull the tube out. This right here protects the tube from, even though it's broken, it protects the tube from hitting against the back of the spokes. This is the new inner tube. Start off by undoing the valve stem. Find the hole in the rim and stick it through. We're going to take our inner tube, we're going to start feeding it in one spot. We want the tube to go up inside the wheel. Once we get our inner tube in there, first thing we're going to want to do, there's a lip here. We're going to want to keep forcing this lip all the way around. Because we got to get one lip started. And you can see the closer I get to put it in there, everything lines up nice. See, this side of the tire is looking good now. And we can keep that inner tube in there. You never want to pinch your tube, so always take time with your tube. Make sure it's always in the right spot. Okay, it's not sticking out anywhere. Now we come close to finishing it. Same tool, and all I'm doing is slowly feeding. Always push the tube in. I'm slowly feeding the edge of the wheel into the slot. Now you can see the wheel is in the slot. The wheel is on the bike. I'm going to go around and check all these little spots and make sure everything's seated perfectly. But if you look, we have the wheel replaced on the bike. And it just takes time and patience. But you saw, it pretty much went on pretty easily.